Hello everyone, it's me Pawan Pawar and today I am here with my first search virtual subject matter for my connection and network. As we all know, this pandemic has led to a dramatic loss of human life worldwide and presents before us an unprecedented challenge to deal with. The economic and social disruption caused by the pandemic has been devastating so far. There we all as a human being have realized the real value of the most precious natural resource of the planet, which is oxygen. Trees truly are the lungs of our ecosystem, and one who plant a tree plant hope for future. Here's my sincere gratitude to Atmos 24 for recognizing this determining facet of human life and continuously putting effort towards this noble cause. It's an instant of core pride for me as well to be a tiny part of this grand apparatus. So let me take you through what exactly we do at Atmos 24. Atmos 24 is a social platform where you can conduce a small sum to plant a tree for your loved one. You have the option to opt from 25 plus variety of trees. Here you have the flexibility of growing a tree with ease. It's quite a simpler process actually. You can choose a tree you wish to plant, you have to pay adequate sum for it and even get rewarded with a plantation certificate too. Thereafter your sapling will be planted and we will be growing the tree on your behalf. Talking about the impact we have made in the ecosystem so far. So we have been able to plant 18,000 plus trees, which means 6,000 plus kg of oxygen is already generated and 1 lakh plus hours of humanity are served. On top of it, we have converted 12 acre plus land into fertile. Our mission is to grow and sustain over 1 million trees. Alternatively, here's what best you can do. So Tree for Free is a campaign which allows everyone to plant a tree of their choice, where we pay on behalf of the one who wants to plant a tree. You can use these coupon code at checkout pages for the same. So coupon code of 10 will give you 10% discount. In the same way, a coupon code of 20, 50 or even 100 can give you respective discount. So for example, if you want to apply for 50% discount coupon code, just type out FIFTY, which is 50 in caps lock. Someone has said the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago and the second best time is now. So go ahead and visit atmos24.in and contribute the best you can and also share the same in your social feeds too. Just be assured this is a registered NGO and I myself is comrade. So all of your respective contribution will be utilized for plantation only. In addition, I would like to use this platform to put forward the sheer gratitude to our 30 plus volunteers and the man who conceptualizes the whole initiative, Mr. Siddharth Trivedi, for their unreal efforts so far in this direction from over a decade now. Thanksgiving truly is the greatest form of gratitude. True, the times have been extremely difficult. Our dedication towards the work did not shake a bit. So sending all of us a warm Thanksgiving. It's a fact that volunteers does not necessarily have time as they have hearts. Lastly, thank you everyone for your time and listening me out. You can DM me for the link or simply visit atmos24.in, which is ATMOS24, for your valuable contributions. Happy plantation and stay safe. Thank you.